Pause, breathe. Welcome to the world of meditation, a realm where abundance flows like a tranquil river. In just 60 seconds, grasp the power of this ancient practice. Meditation, an age-old art, a bridge connecting us to the core of our being. Regular practice fosters a mindset of abundance, replacing the scarcity mindset that often holds us back. Imagine a seed. Meditation nurtures this seed, allowing it to sprout, grow, and eventually bear fruit. This is the abundance you seek. Peace, joy, prosperity. Meditation cleanses the mind, like the rain washing away dust from a leaf. It brings clarity, focus, a renewed sense of purpose. In the silence, we find our answers. In the stillness, we uncover our wealth. Abundance isn't just about material wealth. It's about richness in all aspects of life. Remember, meditation isn't a race, it's a journey towards a life of abundance. So breathe, meditate, and let abundance flow into your life.